Hi guys, welcome to Workout Wednesday. In fact, tell a lie, it's not even Wednesday. I'm filming this, actually, if you recognise my outfit, it's the same day that I have uploaded my Sunday video, which is also not on the day. In fact, I've banked both vlogs. My Sunday vlog that you would have previously seen with me and Kai out and about, and this particular vlog is also on the same day. So it's all done during the week, guys. I've just banked it for Sunday and Workout Wednesday. The reason why I've banked this for Workout Wednesday is because I've decided to make a healthy summer meal, and I know this is starting to become a bit of a, you know, cooking healthy thing, but hey ho, it is what it is. So we're going to do some healthy salad. It's a salad type of dish today, guys. It's a salad dish. So in here we have some fried chicken fillets that I'm frying down. This is the ingredients. I have some onion seasoning, some garlic. Sorry about my crusty hands, guys. There's been in water. Italian herb, chicken seasoning, black pepper, paprika, and a little drop of dark soya. That's the ingredients that's in the chicken. Over here, I'm also going to be making a smoothie. This is the smoothie right here. I've already pre-prepared it. We have some soya milk in there. We have some spinach. We have strawberry and banana. And we also have some mango. Also, guys, one last thing. We have our naan breads in the microwave. The reason why I've put them in the microwave, guys, is because I can't be bothered to heat them up any other way. Anyway, I'm going to put you here and hope you can see me. Hope you can see me. I am dressed. I have leggings on because I did have jeans on there, but they're pretty tight. If you're wondering what this is my garlic mix. It's got, not garlic mix, sorry. It has ginger, lemon, apple cider vinegar, and honey. And I leave it here because it's like my juice. So when I'm not having a hot drink and I'm not having water, this is what I will typically reach for. So it sits here because I don't like it too cold. It's a bit chilly to have a really cold drink. So I'll just get me a glass in the evenings and pour me some and bring it, you know, in my room. Anyway, all these can go for now. And we are going to get on with it because I'm hoping that I can show you the end results. So let's get on with it. We're first going to do this smoothie. So that's securely in. It's got some water in it as well. Get that going. As you know, I don't like my smoothies thick, so I'm going to just add a little bit more water. This is going to be for me, Nicole and Kylan. I'm not sure if Doms would want me to save her some or not. She's not a big fan. But yes, this is to go with dinner, believe it or not, because it's a very light dinner. So the smoothie is just basically, oh, if I can get this on, just to basically top things up. I also have some salad here, guys. In here I have spinach, lettuce, cucumber, beetroot, tomatoes, avocado, just for me and Nicole, a little half each. What else do I have? I've got spring onions in here and some garlic, some garlic and oil and salt. That's also part of the dish. So, get on with it. Try and present it right, guys. Hope you can see me still. I'm going to just dish one plate, guys. I'm going to do one plate. This is our chicken. Put that on here. We're going to have a nice warm naan bread. 1 minute, Kai, I'm doing a vlog.
Oh, my hair.
He's concerned of his hair, guys. I'm doing a vlog and he's concerned of his hair. Anyway, he didn't realise that was Kylan, by the way. Right, we can switch this off. And I'm going to just show you the end results. Kai, could you give me 1 moment, please? 1 moment, honey. 1 moment. I know you're hungry. He's hungry. So I hope you can see me. This is basically how it's turned out. We're going to use one of these glasses right here. And I will show you. Let's put that away for now. And move this out the way so we can present it well. Right, so let's move all of this also for a moment. Right, guys. So this is the end result for Workout Wednesday. We have our fried fillet chicken here with all our seasoning. We have our salad and avocado, our naan bread, and our glass of our smoothie, basically, which I've shown you all the ingredients for. Thank you so much for watching Workout Wednesdays. I do promise to give you a workout. I have been working out, guys. I've been working out, but I've not uploaded one yet, which hence why I'm doing another healthy eating. But I will upload my own workout. I was actually going to take you guys along with me to the gym and see if I can sneakily let you have a quick peek of a class that I'm doing. But unfortunately, while me and Kai was out and about today, which you would have already seen in my Sunday vlog, while we were out and about today, which today, by the way, is not the weekend, it's in the week. But while we were out and about, unfortunately the times and days and location for my fitness classes has changed, and also for the youth club for Kylan for his workout has changed. So yeah, there's that. So you're gonna have to just put up with my very awkward own routine. I might do the Chloe ting for you. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I'm hoping to do some editing in these couple of videos. Please let me know if you have noticed my new little editing. Let's fingers crossed that this works. Okay, stay safe, be safe, and peace. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and share.